In the grand tapestry of scientific history, some threads shine brighter than others, weaving together the very fabric of our reality. While names like Newton and Einstein echo through the halls of greatness, there's another, quieter giant upon whose shoulders they stood, James Clerk Maxwell. This is the story of the man who saw the unseen, united the forces of nature, and gave us the true nature of light. From his earliest days in Scotland, Maxwell's mind was a whirlwind of curiosity and brilliance. He was not just a student of science. He was a prodigy. Imagine a boy, barely a teenager, standing before the learned members of the Royal Society of Edinburgh, presenting his first scientific paper. His intellect was already grappling with complex geometric problems that puzzled seasoned mathematicians. This youthful genius soon turned his gaze to the heavens, tackling one of the great astronomical mysteries of his time, the nature of Saturn's rings. While others speculated they were solid or liquid, Maxwell, through pure mathematical deduction, proved they must be composed of a vast swarm of individual, unconnected particles, a cosmic dance of countless tiny moonlit. It was a stunning display of theoretical physics, a prelude to the revolutionary work that would define his legacy. The scientific world of the mid-19th century was a landscape of disconnected forces. Electricity and magnetism were seen as separate, curious phenomena. But building on the pioneering experimental work of Michael Faraday, who had envisioned invisible lines of force, Maxwell began to see a deeper connection. He embarked on a quest not just to describe these forces, but to unite them. In his mind's eye, and through the rigorous language of mathematics, he began to weave them together. Animated equations would flicker into existence, each a thread in his grand synthesis. He was constructing a single, elegant theoretical framework to govern the disparate behaviors of electric charges and magnetic currents, a unified theory of electromagnetism. The culmination of this monumental effort was an intellectual crescendo, a moment that forever changed our understanding of the universe. On a conceptual chalkboard, for elegant equations, materialized Maxwell's equations. They were the Rosetta Stone of electromagnetism. But within them lay a revelation of staggering beauty. His theory predicted the existence of waves, ripples in the electromagnetic field that could travel through space. When he calculated the speed of these hypothetical waves, the number that emerged was astonishing. It was the known speed of light. In a flash of insight, the ancient mystery was solved. Light was not a particle or a simple wave. It was a self-propagating electromagnetic wave, a perfect harmony of oscillating electric and magnetic fields. In a testament to his wide-ranging genius, Maxwell also found time for other pursuits, creating the world's first-ever permanent color photograph, another feat of manipulating light itself. Maxwell's legacy is not just in the equations he left behind, but in the world they built. His unification of electricity and magnetism is the bedrock upon which all of modern technology rests. Every time you listen to the radio, watch television, use your phone, or track a plane on radar, you are witnessing Maxwell's equations in action. They are the silent enablers of our wireless world. But his influence extends even further, into the very structure of space-time. It was Maxwell's discovery that the speed of light is a fundamental constant of nature that directly inspired a young Albert Einstein, providing a crucial stepping stone for his theory of relativity. So the next time you bask in the sunlight or switch on a light, remember James Clerk Maxwell. He was the unassuming Scottish physicist who, with nothing more than paper, pen, and the power of his imagination, unified the fundamental forces of our world, revealed the true nature of light, and quietly laid the foundations for the 20th and 21st centuries. He is the poet of science, who read the universe's hidden verses and translated them for all of humanity.